That's literally $25 in profit in a single t-shirt. Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to actually make money dropshipping products from AliExpress to Depop. If you don't know Depop is a platform where you can sell vintage clothing, whether that be used clothing or new clothing. And I've noticed a pattern that a lot of sellers on Depop are doing, which is actually grabbing products from AliExpress and dropshipping them on Depop. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to show you the whole rundown of doing that and how easy you can make money by doing this method. Before we jump into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video or any previous video that we have talked about in this channel. And without further ado, let's just start with our tutorial. So obviously the first thing that you need to do is just go ahead, click the link in the description down below. It will take you to Depop and you need to create your free account. All you need to do is just input your first name, last name, an email address, a password, and you need to select your country. In the country, you need to select a European country or a US state or whatever the case might be. But that's how you actually sell on Depop. If you are not from Europe or if you are not from the US, you cannot sell on Depop. So that's the only thing that you need to be aware of. And also make sure that you have a European bank account if you don't have any bank account to back that up with, because later on you will need it. Although you will actually use PayPal in order to actually send and receive money on Depop, but still probably they will ask you to verify your bank account details down the line, so make sure to have that as well. Once you create your own free account, this will be the dashboard of Depop, and what we're gonna be doing is just very simple. We're just gonna copy products that are trending on Depop itself. So I've actually did that, so I will save you some time. I've actually done that before and I've looked up some designs and shirts, so let's just take a look at this one. For example, as you can see, what you need to be focusing on is the likes or number of likes in here. It needs to be plus 99. Each product with plus 99 likes on a product, that means the product is doing well. So what you need to do is just find your product like this that has plus 99 likes on it. Once you do that, let's just check. For example, this guy is selling this goofy shirt for $26. What we can do is just save the image, click save just to double check, go to AliExpress itself and click on search with image or buy image and upload the image itself, and let's just see. As you can see, there is it. This is the t-shirt the guy is selling. Well, peep this guys, the shirt is selling for $1 on AliExpress and the guy is selling it for $26. That's just a ridiculous amount of profit. That's literally $25 in profit in a single t-shirt. So you can see the potential of making money on Depop. So what you need to do is just find you, like I said, a product like this, and you need to undercut the competition by, I don't know, quite a bit. So probably you're gonna set the price for $20. So if you found a product like this, let's just say you found a product and you want to sell it on Depop, what you can do is just click on sell now, and I'm gonna use this same one. And in here in photos, what you need to do is just add multiple photos, and the more you add, the better actually. And how to do that, you can easily go to photoroom.com and upload the product image from AliExpress or from the listing on Depop, and you can just change the background of the image using AI. So select your picture and select one of these minimalist backgrounds. Just select one that you like, close this window, and yeah, just like that you can create a background. As you can see, we added a background. You don't need a background with some plants and stuff like that. You need just a simple background. So let's just look for that. All right, just like this one, you can use this one and download it from here. Click download and then select the preview, then download and download 3 to 4 images just like these. Once you do that, just head back to Depop and upload your photos or click on add photo. Let's just select this one. And just like that, we have added 4 photos, and for the description you can just generally use the listing on AliExpress. If you want to add more spice to it, you can use ChatGPT to generate more catchy descriptions and all of that. So we just stick with this one. For the information, we're gonna use we're gonna select tops obviously, and we're gonna select t-shirts. The occasion is just a casual type of shirt. We're gonna also select summer, and for the material we're gonna select cotton, although we don't have any specification on what this t-shirt is made of, but we can assume it's cotton. If it's not cotton, then you can select something else. You can select one of these, but we stick with cotton. The body fit, I'm gonna select petite and plus size. The brand, we're gonna select a brand from these. It does not really matter. Let's just look for a brand. The condition, it's brand new, and the size, you can add the sizes from here. You can go back to the listing, double check which are the ones available, and just add these in the listing on Depop. So we just add the S size. So let's just go back, add sizes S, and the quantity, let's just put it to 10. As for the color, we can add white as well, because the listing offer white and black too, and that will increase your chances to actually sell more stuff. The source, just gonna put vintage and custom, yeah, just like that. The age, it's modern. Style, it's minimalist, and let's just look for something else, casual, just like that. Location, Belgium. As for the shipping, you can add the price of shipping, depends on the country that you are shipping to. So AliExpress here, I do suppose they have free shipping on this product, but you can take the shipping fee as well. So let's just put $7 on shipping, and for the item price, we're gonna put it at $15. So we're gonna undercut the competition by 10 bucks almost. Once everything is just done, click post, and just like that, you have listed your item on Depop. To take a look at your stats, go to your selling hub and scroll all the way down. You can go to the selling section, and you can see the active listing that you have in here, which listing that you just added. And if you want stats, click on stats, and it will show you the earnings. Depends within time period that you select, so 7 days, 30 days, and so on. Alrighty guys, so this was just a quick tutorial on how to actually make money dropshipping products on Depop. Like I said, and like I showed you, there's multiple options and there is multiple opportunities. You can select any design that is trending on Depop. You can go and undercut the competition and just make money by doing that simple thing. If you have any questions, then drop it in the comment section down below. I would be glad to answer all of them. And take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.